After 80, life changes in ways we can't always predict. Our bodies slow down, our social circles might get smaller, and sometimes it feels like the world is moving a little faster than we are. But this stage of life also brings something that the younger years never could: perspective, a deep sense of peace, and the quiet power of acceptance. So let's have an honest conversation about what life really looks like after 80, and how to make the most of every single day. After hitting 80, even the most active people start to notice a shift. Climbing the stairs, carrying in the groceries, or even just remembering a name might take a little more effort. But here's the thing, that's not failure, it's just biology. The key isn't to deny it, but to adapt. Gentle movement, like walking, light stretching, or balance exercises, helps keep our muscles responsive and our joints flexible. And keeping our minds active, whether it's by reading, doing puzzles, or learning something new, helps the brain stay sharp and alert. The truth is, you don't need to beat aging. You just need to learn how to work with it, finding new ways to do the things you love. The emotional landscape after 80 can be complex. Many people in this age group live alone or have had to say goodbye to lifelong friends and partners. Loneliness can creep in quietly, finding its way into the silence, the daily routine, or even the fear of feeling like a burden to others. But your purpose doesn't just disappear with age. Staying connected is the antidote. Volunteering your time, mentoring someone younger, or joining a local senior group can bring back a powerful sense of meaning and joy. Remember, you are not done. Your wisdom, your experience, you are still needed. Accepting help doesn't make you weak, it makes you wise. Whether it means using a cane for better balance, having someone come to help at home, or even moving to a place with more support, these choices aren't about giving up. They're about giving yourself the gifts of safety and peace of mind. The truth is, independence can look different after 80. Sometimes, true independence is having the wisdom to choose to rely on others, so you can continue living life on your own terms, with dignity and confidence. After 80, joy often lives in the small, simple moments, the warmth of a good cup of tea, the beauty of a sunrise, the comfort of a familiar song playing on the radio. The noise and rush of the world start to fade into the background, and what remains is what truly matters: kindness, genuine connection, and inner peace. Aging doesn't have to mean fading away. It can mean distilling life down to its essence, keeping only what is essential, beautiful, and true. Life after 80 isn't always easy, but it can be incredibly and deeply meaningful. If you or someone you love is in this chapter of life, remember this. It's not about the number of years you have left. It's about the amount of life you're still living. Keep moving, keep connecting, and keep believing that every stage of life holds its own unique grace. Thank you for watching, and if this message resonated with you, please consider subscribing for more content on living well at every age.